Dr. Karen Landers with the Alabama Department of Public Health is expecting the same as the CDC. She says the expected decrease in hospitalizations and deaths is all connected to the number of positive cases in general.
Fewer people being hospitalized, obviously fewer adverse outcomes, fewer deaths.
According to the CDC, on Monday, there were over 800 new weekly COVID deaths in Alabama, but they're expecting the number to drop to about 500 new weekly deaths by November 1st. Dr. Landers says the higher number of deaths we're currently seeing correlates with the trend healthcare officials have seen before.
If you just see a decline in cases, and again, once you get past that curve of deaths, then certainly all of us expect with less disease to have better outcomes.
Along with a decrease in COVID deaths, the number of hospitalizations is expected to decrease as well. The state is currently seeing about 200 new COVID patients in the hospital each week. The CDC expects we'll see about 150 new hospitalizations each week by November. Dr. Landers says it doesn't mean people should stop their safety protocols.
The caution is when we start to see a decline such as this, people want to say Delta is finally over, COVID is finally over, we're finally out of this. Everyone wants that to happen, including me. But right now, we're still in high community transmission.
Reporting in Huntsville, Grace Campbell, Way 31 News.
In this week's Skill to Work, we travel to Calhoun Community College in Decatur. There, students will get hands-on experience as they train to become dental hygienists. Way 31's Xavier Wary tells us about a brand new program years in the making.
The first idea that we were going to do dental hygiene was 2016.
An idea that took 5 years to manifest is finally here.
It's a process for us. We have to go through, we do community surveys, and we go out and we went to Mississippi, we toured Wallace State, we looked at hygiene labs that were currently in place, so all that took time.
While the Dean of Health Science, Brett McGill, says they had site visits scheduled back to last spring, it was the pandemic that delayed the process.
We ended up being accredited this April.
Now that students are getting hands-on experience, they are preparing themselves for employment once they complete the program.
It'll make the dentists in our community want to hire our graduates because they've got so much actual skill.
According to one dental hygiene student, Zaria Rice, that skill is being taught by some of the best dentists North Alabama has to offer.
We are being taught by people who've done this for over a decade.
Rice, who formerly worked in healthcare, says she couldn't wait to become a student in the program.
As soon as I heard it, I had refreshed the page over and over because I knew I wanted to be a Calhoun student and a dental hygienist student at Calhoun.
Now that Rice and her cohort are finally immersed in the program, there is a buzz in the air about practicing on real patients come January.
I'm going to be excited. I will have some nerves, but I will be excited.
The new dental hygiene lab here at the Health Science Building has the same state-of-the-art equipment that you would find at modern dental offices. Now, Rice and her classmates tell me that they refer to their new equipment as the Cadillac of the dental industry, and they also tell me that everyone loves working with top-of-the-line equipment. For now, in Decatur, I'm Xavier Wary, Way 31 News.